Losing a loved one can have great impacts on a person, and how one is able to handle the loss can either make or break the spirit. For 22-year-old Nivita Sharma, it was a time to gather all she could to ensure no one felt as helpless as she did when she lost her grandmother. Lena Rees with tonight's success story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Sharma, whose parents are from Kavanangasau in Singatoka, is now a medical student in New York, and despite traveling the world, she has kept Fiji at heart. She shares how the loss of her grandmother was an inspiration to her success.
She was born in Fiji, and when she was young, she had a throat infection which went untreated and eventually infected her heart, so she had rheumatic heart disease. And that, at the time in Fiji, they didn't have the right treatments or diagnoses. So for me, had that one little thing been treated and detected in Fiji, she may not have had the series of illnesses that she went through. And so that's why I wanted to do something that could help improve the health care here in Fiji.
At the age of 16, Sharma became the founder and chief executive of EqualMed, an NGO that has to date donated over $1.5 million worth of medical supplies and equipment to health centers in rural and remote areas across Fiji. Being born and bred in Australia did not stop Sharma, who is now 22, to give back to her parents' homeland.
And so in 2013, I brought medical supplies, and in 2014, I brought a little more medical supplies. In the previous year, it was around, I'd say 600 or 700 pounds of medical supplies. Again, going around the smaller health centers and health clinics in Fiji, because those are the ones that usually lack the most, since they're tucked away in corners of the island.
In an effort to make a larger impact, the medical student brought more back to Fiji each year. There were minor challenges, but this did not deter her.
Sometimes the communication isn't there. When we approach healthcare practitioners or nurses and physicians, and we ask them what they need, we want to know what they need. We don't want them to stay silent, because we can't bring what is most needed and most utilized in Fiji if we don't know what it is.
The Bachelor of Science graduate credits her parents for all their sacrifice in taking care of her grandparents and raising her. Sharma is continuing her first-year studies at Weill Cornell Medical College in New York City and dreams of being better involved and improving medical health care in Fiji. Lena Rees, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.